What you're looking at here is a circular ring gasket with a circular bolt hole pattern on it, which is of course very common in your gasket cutting business. But this gasket is too big to fit on the material sheet size that I have, so I'm going to have to break it into 6 pieces. You can see the lines drawn at 3 o'clock and 1 o'clock where I'm going to break this gasket, and then I'm going to dovetail the ends of it. And dovetailing is something that's a very powerful feature of our Gaskcadd software, and I think you'll see that when I finish this up. The first thing I'm going to have to do is going to get rid of what I don't want as part of the segment. So I'm going to break the inside circle, get rid of what I don't want. Same thing for the outside. And then I'm going to have to erase all of these holes that I don't want to be a part of the segment. Now I'm going to zoom in a little bit so we can see a little better. Then I'm going to get rid of these cut lines that I put on there, because now I'm going to apply a dovetail. If I go over to our menu over in the right hand side and say I would like to apply a dovetail, you can see dovetail and dovetail multi. We're going to put a single dovetail on the bottom, and of course we could duplicate that and would want to at the top so all the parts would fit together, but then I'm going to multi dovetail. Single dovetail, I select that. It asks do I want an automatic or user specified dimensions. Most of the times, unless your customer specifies very specific dimensions, you would just ask for automatic, and I tell it I want to go from here to there, and there's your dovetail, and I'm going to move so you can see what that looks like. Now if I wanted to make a very wide gasket, say that was 6 inches wide, and I would prefer to have, so let's say 3 dovetails, then I would select dovetail multi, and it asks for the number of dovetails desired across the joint down in the bottom left, and I'm going to answer 3. I'm going to say I want to go from this point to this point, and it draws those automatically. You can see if I'd done the same thing at the other end, then it would fit with that one and vice versa. So that's how easy it is to do automatic dovetailing, and you can export this to your cutting machine and you'd be ready to go. Make 6 of these and they would all fit together.